Hello friends, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Tech Abdul Khalik. Today we are going to tell you how you can make money with the order grab application. Friends, you will know that I have already made a video on this topic, but that video is in Hindi. If you understand English language, then you can watch this video. Friends, if you want to watch a video in Hindi language, you can go to the video description and watch it. I have given a link in description. Friends, I have given you the link to the order grab application, the video description. You have to click on it. This type of interface will open in front of you. Now you have to enter your mobile number and OTP password, confirm password and friend referral code and click on register. After that, you have to download the application. Come on guys, I have downloaded my applications. Now I install it. After installing, you have to enter your mobile number and password again. Which you enter will register. After this, now the order grab application will open in front of you. So friends, you can see today my earning 524 rupees. Friends, order grab applications, you given 3 methods to earn money. First, order finance. Second, finance product. Third, invite friends. Order finance. Click on order finance and slide. Friend, this option is available all user, and these options earn money up to 7 to 8 rupees, but second options earn money 45 rupees to 50 rupees. Guys, this option is available who will recharge 500 rupees in it. Click this banner and grabbing. Friends, today my grabbing is completed, so earn money 88 rupees. Friends, if you will be 100 rupees, type A and you will return 35 rupees within 7 days. And type B. If you apply 100 rupees, type B, you will return 207 rupees within 30 days. And type C. You will apply 100 rupees. Friends, you will be returned 792 rupees within 90 days. Friends, type D. If you apply 100 rupees, so friends, you will return 1764 rupees within 180 days. So friends, now how you can make money by inviting your friend. Friends, I like this option very much, and the most you can do is earn it. So friends, if you invite one of your friends in this application and your friend download this application and make the first recharge, then you will be given a 50 rupees bonus. Friends, you can see on my screen how many bonus I have received. I have invited all my friends in this application and they have downloaded and recharged, for which I have received bonus. If your friends does not recharge, then friends will be given 10 rupees only. How do you take 10 rupees now? Friends, I will tell you that too. Friends, if you invite your friends for the first level, you will earn 10%. If you friends refer your friends, then you will be earning 8%. You will friends 3 levels earning this application. Friends, you can buy membership system. Click on membership system. You can see level 1 membership, level 2 500 rupees recharges this membership, level 3 1000 recharge, and you can check out term and conditions. Level 2, level 1, level 3. Friends, level 1 10 8 5%, level 2 12 9 5%, level 3 14 10 5% earning. How to withdraw your money? Click on withdraw option. So friends, enter withdrawal amount and withdrawal password. So friends, slide page and click on withdraw options. Friend, you can read rules. According to bank regulations, you can withdraw cash on working days, cannot withdraw cash on holidays. Holidays Saturday and Sunday, Monday to Friday to withdraw your money. Friends, withdrawal time 9 to 9. Friend, you can read introduction. This applications order grabbing is a fun and simple way to earn shopping tracks to in 2090 crack the word loading to private of your computer vision. So friends, how to recharge these applications? Click recharge option. Loading page, so please wait. Friend, select recharge amount 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees and click recharge options. So please wait. And friends, you can payment cards, credit, wallets, net banking, UPI, Google Pay. Simple. So enter Google Pay UPI ID and do your recharge successful. How to contact order grab customer care? Click calling icon. Join Telegram order grab customer care. So friends, joining this group. So friends, you talk to them and received your bonus. So okay, I expected you might have liked this video. If you like and share with your friends, then definitely do it. And if you are not on the channels, then you can get all the fingers and press the bell icon. Subscribe my YouTube channel.